Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. Exterior design analysis. Overall aesthetic. The house exudes a minimalist, contemporary aesthetic with a strong emphasis on nature integration. The stark contrast between the black exterior and the surrounding natural elements creates a dramatic and visually striking composition. Exterior finishes. The predominant exterior finish is a matte black, lending the house a monolithic appearance. This is juxtaposed with the expansive glass doors that offer transparency and connect the interior to the exterior environment. The choice of black enhances the dramatic interplay of light and shadow, especially in contrast to the surrounding greenery. Architectural details. The house's architecture is characterized by clean lines and geometric forms, typical of modern design. The focus is on functionality and efficiency, with minimal ornamentation. The large glass doors are the primary architectural detail, acting as a frame for the natural landscape. Other potential details could include minimalist metal accents or concrete elements to complement the modern aesthetic. Landscaping. The landscaping is designed to harmonize with the house's minimalist character. The placement of rocks around the stream creates a natural, yet structured feel. The pine forest and mountains provide a dramatic backdrop, while the wooden bridge acts as a transitional element between the house and the natural surroundings. The overall landscaping reinforces the house's integration with its environment. Overall impression. The black modern house is a striking example of contemporary architecture that successfully merges with its natural setting. Its minimalist design and the strategic use of glass create a dynamic interplay between the built and natural environments. The house stands as a bold statement of modern living, while simultaneously respecting and enhancing the beauty of its surroundings. Overall aesthetic. The interior should reflect the exterior's minimalist and nature-centric approach. A serene, sophisticated atmosphere should prevail, emphasizing clean lines, open spaces, and a strong connection to the natural surroundings. Color palette. A neutral palette is essential to maintain the minimalist aesthetic. Shades of white, gray, and black should dominate, creating a clean and airy atmosphere. Accents of deep greens or blues can be incorporated to reflect the natural surroundings. Materials. High quality, natural materials should be used to complement the exterior's connection to nature. Wood, stone, and glass are ideal choices. Polished concrete floors can provide a sleek, modern touch. Textured fabrics like linen and wool can add warmth and comfort. Furniture. Furniture should be modern and functional, with clean lines and simple forms. Leather or fabric upholstery in neutral tones should be preferred. Built-in storage solutions can help to maintain a clutter-free look. A few statement pieces, such as a sculptural chair or a minimalist art piece, can add visual interest. Decor. Decor should be minimal and carefully curated. Artworks that complement the natural surroundings, such as landscape paintings or photography, would be ideal. Indoor plants can bring the outdoors in. Decorative accents should be kept to a minimum, focusing on quality over quantity. Key rooms. Living room. Large windows should frame the stunning views of the stream and forest. A comfortable seating arrangement, a minimalist fireplace, and perhaps a built-in entertainment system can be included. Kitchen. A modern, open concept kitchen should seamlessly flow into the living area. High-quality appliances, a minimalist island, and plenty of natural light are essential. Bedrooms. These spaces should be oases of calm. Neutral colors, soft textiles, and ample natural light are key. Bathroom. A spa-like atmosphere can be created using natural stone, large soaking tubs, and rainfall showers. By carefully considering these elements, the interior of the black modern house can become a harmonious extension of its striking exterior, creating a truly exceptional living space. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.